2:30. We just got back from work. On the agenda today, we have to trade London and New York, obviously, which starts for me at about 5:30. So I got a decent amount of time. I need a nap, first of all, because last night I was up till 2 a.m. waiting for GJ to make a move, and it never did. And then I had to get up at 6 to go to work. So I'm feeling a bit delirious, a bit manic, so I need some sleep. So we got some chicken, some rice, some corn, black beans, and a bit of yogurt, Greek yogurt. Absolutely delicious. Haven't taken a trade yet this week. 2 more hours and then we're going to start getting ready for London session. Not going to look at the charts until then. We're going to have a back testing session tonight. Maybe go for a run if we get some time. So let's devour this and then I'll see you guys for London session. Turns out we went for a nap really quick and ended up sleeping for about an hour and a half. So an hour we just marked up for London and we're getting ready for London, but there's really nothing happening in the markets right now. So I'm gonna go to the gym really quick. We just gotta wait. There's a lot of news. Have all of this GBP news coming at 8:30, and we also have US dollar news later tonight. So we just have to be patient. There's also, if we look at GJ, here's our range, our buy above range, and here's our sell below range all the way down here, and price is just sort of ranging. If you look at the daily, you can see you've just been ranging the last few days. So this is where a lot of people, including me in the past, have gotten impatient and taken dumb trades. This is the secret to gains right here. Little presso, bit of honey. All right, that was absolutely rapid session. We did lat pull down, machine row, single arm, close grip, pull down, and a bit of arms at the end. Literally 45 minutes, perfect. So we're looking at gold here. Right now it is 10 past 8, 4 a.m. EST. So we're still sitting in about London open here. We're looking at gold. We can see this is on the 15-minute time frame. This is the zone we had earlier. We now have a really nice breakout above this level. The only problem, this range is filling. Okay, so this candle still has 3 minutes to go and it's filling this range really quickly. For me to take this trade, I need at least 20 pips of clean range. The reason for that is just so that we're not taking trades into resistance or support. Greater than 20 pips, it doesn't obviously mean that price is definitely going to push and fill the range. It just means there's a nice clean range for price to push through. Two scenarios could happen here. Either price pushes up and leaves us a wick to fill. That way we can enter anywhere in this candle close on the flip to fill the wick, and we can use the wick as a break even. Or we can't take this on the break of the high, so we need a wick fill here. So also really nice on the daily. You can see yesterday we closed bullish, today really nice bottom wick, and now we're flipping to continue bullish. So yeah, maybe we can come up and fill these wicks. Okay, so pretty intense trade, not in terms of anything except it was just low volume. We had some trouble with our execution on the trade copier. You can see this is all from the trade copier. You had like a bunch of orders that didn't execute, and I just had to fix that whilst I was in the trade. Essentially, we entered on the breakout right there, and like we said, price pushed up to fill the wick, just didn't. At that stage, we trailed our stop down to this candle right here. Next candle pushed up, filled the wick, we went break even. But unfortunately, on all of our challenge accounts, we only got break even because we got slipped on our entry. We got the win on the personal account. I think it was about 12 pips. This is how the trade sort of looked. Initially, stops was down there. As this candle closed doji, we trailed our stop and then we closed at 12-ish pips. So yeah, a little bit annoyed that the funded challenges got the break even because of the shitty entry. But yeah, really well managed, executed trade. We're gonna fill that in right now, but it's gonna be I think it was 11 pips in the end and a win. January so far, we are just break even. Still got most of New York, but yeah, feeling really happy with that execution. Mentally feeling dialed. Just need to be patient. This year, I have a mental tranquility really patient, just taking my time. We're not trying to buy Ferraris at the end of this year. We're trying to build the foundations for a 10 plus, 20 plus, 30 plus year trading career. Patience, presence, dialed. This is the current stack. We got fish oil for joints in my knees, magnesium. This helps you sleep like a beast. It supposedly helps your muscles recover. And last, we got ashwagandha. This massively helps my sleep, and you feel like a bit of an animal on it. So it's the next morning. I forgot to film the rest of the video last night. Right now we have to go to work, and then I realized I forgot to back test last night because I was just stuck making this video and I got a bit lost of time. But we're going to do a review today of the trade from yesterday, last night, and we got a back test, and then we do it all over again. But thanks for joining. Hopefully this video was a bit more exciting. There's a setup, 2 monitors, 1 computer, perfect. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed a bit more behind the scenes. Please subscribe. See you guys soon.